In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and optimize your restaurant Google business profile. Let's dive into the steps that will help you get your restaurant's presence on Google off to the best start. First things first, head over to business.google.com in your browser. This is your starting point to access Google's powerful suite of business tools. Once you're there, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. Now, if it's your first time signing in, make sure you use the Gmail account that's connected to your business. Alternatively, if you've signed in before, you will be seamlessly directed to your Google Business Dashboard, a familiar space for managing your business's online presence. Another thing you can do is open Google in your browser and type in your business name or simply enter My Business. This straightforward search opens up the profile options available to you. Once the results appear, locate your business's name and click on View Profile. Doing so will guide you back to your dashboard, giving you control over your business's visibility online. Why is this so essential? You see, your Google Business Profile is a highly influential tool that often goes underutilized. When set up correctly, it showcases your business dynamically and highlights its best features right at the customer's fingertips. This potential discovery and engagement are priceless. However, this starts with ensuring your profile is complete. Many businesses overlook including simple yet crucial details such as business hours or the website address, which significantly affects visibility. Having a well-rounded profile is not just about aesthetics, it directly influences your business rankings in local search results, effectively opening the doors to more customer interactions. On your profile, you'll likely see a profile strength meter. Click on it and a pop-up menu will illustrate areas needing completion. Make it a point to fill out each piece of information thoroughly. This way, potential customers glean everything they need without additional clicks or searches elsewhere. Many users appreciate this efficiency. They can gather all necessary information without ever needing to detour from your profile. Hence, offering details like operating hours or contact information conveniently can make all the difference in customer engagement. Therefore, if your goal is to attract and retain more customers, providing relevant information directly on Google will keep you ahead of the competition. That wraps up today's session on setting up and optimizing your restaurant Google business profile. With these steps in hand, you're set to boost your business's online presence wonderfully while ensuring your brand is front and center for those searching for what you offer. Thanks for tuning in.